Guys, I'm Frank Masabo, Senior Software Engineer, and today I'm going to show you how PIQ Tech Academy works, and both for students and for instructors. Let's start. When you come on the main page, you'll see the main website. Here to you everything. Here you choose category, different categories that you would have so far. And down here you'll see the courses. We have both courses in front end, back end, and database. As you can see, we have SQL. And we have AI courses, both from fundamental knowledge to advanced knowledge. And down here we have bundles, cost bundles, where someone can choose whether he wants to take or front end or web development, or if he wants to take AI and machine learning, and also he wants to take path as a back end developer. So from here, as you can see, we have also a substitution plan, where a user who doesn't want to buy and own a course, where he can come and buy a subscription, learn what he wants, then he go on and use in the real life. Down we have a normal blog, where you can also, our blog is not a normal blog because it's like courses. They teach you everything. When we mean understanding AI, we go deeper and teach you, in summary, how those things work behind the scene. So here we have our photo, which has all information you need to contact us, our sites, the site map, accessibility, our cookies, and so on. And also we have affiliate program, which you'll go in detail later, and how you can become an instructor and so on. Let's start with this blog, maybe. Then you'll see how things work behind. Because when we say a blog post is not just to say something else. So we go in details, and this teach you also how the things work, how we can come over challenges in the AI, as you can see. And then you get also a deeper knowledge. This blog are free for reading, so go ahead and delete our blogs so that you can have knowledge in a IT or technologies today. So as you can see, we have courses. These courses, they're different. They're either from front end, back end, and so on, based on what you want to learn. You can choose, of course, what you want. So here we have HTML and CSS, JavaScript. Those are mostly from front end developer. We have C#, C++. Those are for back end and mobile app development. And we have R for scientists who want to visualize their data, and Python for AI and web development. As you can see, we have also the Jungle, and also which is for and web development. So we will go on and see bundles. As you can see, these bundles, they're different when we come on web development. Let's go on and see. You'll see this is the price of all courses. So you own forever those courses. You can learn them wherever you want. As you can see, it's 25% off, so you can buy it today. So this bundle is made by HTML or Jungle, a React focus, SQL focus, and JavaScript and Python. So all those are the knowledge you need to be able to succeed in a web development path. So let's say that you want to go into Jungle Python, you will be able to learn how you can speed up your software development when you are working with web development, authentication, many things packed in this course, the same as React. Everything is well designed and designed, so feel free to buy one bundle and see how those things are well prepared. And also we have subscription. You can choose either monthly, where you can pay every month. You can pay quarterly, where you will pay 3 months. Of course, you will have some small discounts. Also, you have also for 6 months, every year or lifetime. You can even pay lifetime. Then always you have some and substitution, and these will not only to these courses, even the future courses. You have access to the future courses. You already on €309. You will land both front and back and AI, and you have access for forever. So so far, those are our subscription. And if you have any problem, just contact us. And also, when we go back maybe to the bundles, when we go to AI, you'll find all of those courses there in AI bundle. It's cheap, on to $299, lifetime access. And we have also back end when you want to work with web development, application development, and AI. So as you can see, you start with prompt engineering. This is a recommended course because nowadays AI is on top, and every employer needs a developer who understands prompt engineering because they save time, they save money. So this is the recommended course. So you go to Jungle SQR, where you learn how to work with database, you learn Java. This is both for desktop application, a mobile application, and so on. C# from Microsoft, this is recommended for every institution. C++, you can make games, can make very, very powerful application, desktop application that you handle very, very big data. You can also, this is a modern one, C# and Python from fundamental to advanced. So let's see another banner. Another banner is with the front end, which is also covering, there are some courses including the JavaScript and the React and so on. So, and now let's see how a user who logged in, how it looks. First, let's see, when we log in, we can use either a password or we can use a Google account. For this time, let me use Google account. So I'll be redirected to the courses, to all courses, and then I may choose I want to learn. For example, when I come on this course, as you can see, I can preview the course, what is inside the course, and I can come here, I can inspect all the module that are in that course and what is inside. Then I may also come and see to preview the lesson. When I come to preview the lesson, then I would be redirected on the main course, where I will see the SQL and the basic of how to work with this SQL, everything as you can see. Then when I'm done, I'll come down here in the end. Then the good thing this course is that we teach you the what and how you do things, what you should not to do, and how you should do things. So it's like industry standard. We'll give you the real life examples where you can now and go deeper and see how in everything work in a real time, in a real life industry. So also, of course, you would be able to play with code and see, for example, when you want to create this table, you place, then you run the code, and then you see how is etapis word print. So as we can see, currently we created table employee. Then we will mention that this is primary key. So everything we will learn from this, then we insert in database. As you can see, we created this person, and while his law, what did he do? And we give the ID, and then we fence that, so and so on. So as you can see, when you go to details of there, you can see the curriculum of everything, of the lesson, what is inside in every module, and be able to take the decision to buy. Of course, as I said before, you can preview the course first and to see if is in the way you want to learn things. As I can say before, I told you how you can learn doing by land, but I didn't say that also here there is practice exercises where you can try yourself, and when you are stuck, you can use this hint so you can see what you should use on every step. So then when you are done, you can also see the solution. So you do exercises by yourself. So when you finish to preview here, you can take decision to start and learn from this course. Of course, here you will not be able to chat with AI, but when you subscribe, you'll be able to chat with AI, and you'll have access to thy quiz. So when I come here, maybe it's for running, then I'll enroll in this course. If I have coupon code, and then I'll apply my coupon code, and they apply and proceed to checkout. So if you want the coupon code, go in the comment below, then you will find a coupon code you can use and be able to have a discount on this course. Then you can proceed. When you proceed, then of course the application will take you to checkout. Then you'll be able to pay, and they start the learning. So you'll pay here, pay and finish. Then when you finish, your course will be activated. So far now we saw how the process of start learning basically goes. Now let's go in as on our profile. From here we can upload our image and put our names and password and change password, everything. We'll check if there is a course in a load in, we'll be able to enroll. As you can see, my role is a student. If I have any certificate worth showing here, so I can give testimony on what I learned. If I have subscribed to any course, of course, I'll be able to see it here and write my review here and submit and be able to sign out. So far, this is for a student. We have also about us, who we are. We are in education based in Finland, and also contact us, where you can contact us and tell if you have any program or suggestion. So, of course, let's now go to the affiliate program. From here, you can apply to be affiliate. Here you can make money. Of course, here is different program. When you find 19 people who sell, you'll be taking 20% of all the money they pay. And salary, when you are between 20 to 49, you have access to 22%, and so on, as you can see here. So you choose where we'll pay your money. Maybe is a mobile number, is a paper. Then you'll add your email on your profile. And you'll tell us. Maybe it's optional, but you can tell us where you advertise the stuff, then submit application. So, as you can see, this will be the affiliate code. Then everyone who purchase a course with this affiliate, the money will come to you, and you, of course, when I approve you, then you'll be able, admin, when I approve you, you'll be able to generate a link that you can start sharing. So, for now, as a student, let me log out now. Let me log out. I'm going to go in and approve this person. Then I would be able to continue. Now I can log in as admin. Then I approve then that artifact. So as I can see here I have one pending affiliate. Then I'll come and manage. So as I can see, he worked at TikTok. He's a starter. I can even be able to include his income. So this would be his scored. And now let me activate. Of course, if he makes something bad, I can suspend or reject. But so far, I'm going to activate this affiliate. So now it's activated. Now let's go and see how he will be able to start. So now I'm in as a student or someone affiliate. Now when I come to affiliate program, as you can see, now things have changed. My dashboard is a new dashboard where I can start generate money by only just submitting this code. So as you can see here, also you can have a tutorial and see how these affiliates work. As you can see, you'll have like insight on how affiliates program work. So what I can do is to come and regenerate. I generate the link. I can also come and copy this link. So when I copy this, and everyone, if I submitted this on my video and TikTok everywhere, everyone who come and click and this link and buy a course, then I'll have the money on my account. Because this will go, and they go in the cookie. So everyone who share even from that link, also the money will come to me, unless he create his own account and they have his own code. That's when he can get his money. So you can even encourage your friends to share your videos so that people can buy from your link. Then the money will come to you. So you don't need to hassle doing something. You can only do this as full-time job. So you can make like 2,000-3,000 a month without doing anything, just sharing this. You can also create a link by using your social media, Facebook, then using that. Then you know this one will be for a different social media. So here you'll see analytics when you have money, how much you gained in this month, how courses are performing, how every day, who bought, how much you gained every day. Everything will be monitored here so that there's nothing hiding. Everyone who click on your link, it will be shown here. You'll see everything on your own dashboard. And then payout when you have minimum $50, then from here this button will be activated. Then you can request your money. Then we'll send money on the platform you showed before, either by PayPal, either by bank account, everywhere you want, even on Stripe, so the money can come direct on your bank card. So this is a free program, and I hope you enjoys this money, because it's nothing special. It's just creating, getting the account and share so that you can be able to generate money to help your family. So this is for front end so far, how students can learn, how they can let money, and so of course you can generate money and be able to buy more course, or you can just get your money and buy what you want. So let's see how we can navigate courses, certificates, and be able to have access on a chatbot. This system is powered by, this OREA system is a very powerful engine that can help you even to think like a young man and be able to explain to you codes and step and what you can do and what you cannot do. When we go to this course, and this is how it will look like. I'm logged in as an admin. That's why you see edit, but usually you don't have edit. So here you see I have completed this course, and the tracking have already approved that I have completed this. When I complete this 100% and complete quizzes at least 98% correct, that's when I'll be able to get this certificate. I can generate it here or generate it through my dashboard. So, and when completed, and now I will be able to give a review, discourse, or not give any view. So this is our chat boot. As you can see, is aware that this is AI and language model, that is structure and code mechanism as the disease, and the title of this, and when I will be able to, it will be able to answer a question exactly about this lesson. So let's say example, let's ask a simple question and see if you will be able to answer. As you can see, our chatbot, it will go in the database and check in our notes and be able to answer with accurate. As you can see, here it will start with a nice explanation and telling us what to do and what these, and very detail the explanation. So this will happen to all courses. Every course have this own trend model that explain in deep and give the real explanation that needed to be able a user to understand that course. So then we can be able to generate our certificate. Then when we commit to this, that's when this one will be activated. Then when it's activated, we'll be able to download and our certificate. Our certificate will look like this. As you can see, if you modern certificate, you can either scan here and verify, or you can even be able to copy this number or code to be able to verify. When you click on this link, the link is down here on the certificate, then it will go and bring this input where you can put those number, and when you verify, the system will go in the database and see if the certificate is verified. So then you will be able to see who and this certificate, when and what day course he attend, even when the progress and the score he had on that day. So as you can see, it's a very powerful system that the reliable and being the modern one, that nobody can tamper and be able to use it in the way you want to, like generate in fake certificates. So in summary, this is the certificate part, and then the chat boot, then be able start buying, start learning technology, be competitive on the market, be like employee that the employer like to hire. So far you saw how everything worked, from registering a course, from navigating this website. So next showcasing is for instructor who wants to create courses. So as you can see now, let's in as an instructor. When I go to after it this morning and everything, so one saw I'm a student, but when I come on instructor, then I'll have a dashboard where they courses. But so far I logged in as a student, but admin has to create a course. So as now I'm logged in as the instructor, I'll have an instructor dashboard where I can go and create courses. So what to do is come on your dashboards, then you'll find this in where you can create a course. Then you create a course, then maybe let's say this is with a full course, then so let's say that this course I'm saying that this is from beginner to advanced. Then when he instructor to create, then he will have like this where he can now create his course. So the course is of title, description, then where he continue creating, where he can put like an cover image, a video introduction. We can choose which category this one is can be located in. Then he can also create quizzes. When he create quiz here, then he can come here and choose one of those quizzes, then also that quiz. Also, he will have a opportunity to enhance his course by using AI, where he can come and enhance his course. Of course, he can generate and some content. He can add the modules here and price. Then he can enter on enhance his course with AI. So of course this is usually admin feature, but it also an instructor can use by improving data in adding practical element, custom enhancement, more content. So of course this is he can show you
how this works later on, and
when he finished this he can say publish. When he publish a certificate website, because I demand and must approve it first. So also he can go live courses, so students can
attend live courses where I can explain different
courses live, create thesis and theses. So as you can see here, then when he come here, he can create, let's say he wants to create and maybe let's say he wants to create when you say maybe he wants it
to go to create go.
Some beginner to advance. Then when he come here and they create or generate the course, of course this AI will help him to generate course. So let's wait and see what how it's going to like to create a curriculum. Then a user or admin or this instructor can be able to enhance either by creating his own course from scratch or using AI to create courses and enhance it so it can be academically standards. Let's wait a few seconds. We'll see what it will create. So as you can see, the powerful engine, AI engine, has generated a powerful course. It started with the storing of this
Go programming language full course, and
on and they create and modules from module 1 with lesson in it, and from introduction, development, so and
fundamentals to condition group
and switch and so on. Then it goes to the module 2 where it created object oriented to remain
and they go
deeper. Everything from method to interface to type position and position and concurrency and parallel programming in Go is very known and very useful. Then where we go into channels and select statements
and primitives. So and in module 5 where
Naku Ella Android and testing
and
quad quality, and then in model 6 we are in breeding education
and put everything under that one.
So as you can see, when is like this, now he can generate a lesson which is hard lesson. It may take time, but as we preview here, and when we just preview, we can even edit what is inside there and put our own stuff. As you can see, now we in here edit. This is something we don't want, and we can come here, edit cost by cost.
You can edit description, you can edit lesson, practice, example, everything. You can edit everything.
And in me, also we can align, and they will align our lessons. We can also generate quiz of this course. Dialect from here. Jet quiz and check is the question what we want, but they also, I want to let you know that this system has like engine to generate quiz based on content that they are saved in database. So to generate quiz, you have to enhance this course fully so that when the engine for quiz starts, go through iterates, checking courses, generates quizzes from big enough advanced, then it has like enough data to check in. So as you can see, now from here you can enhance a cost by cost. As you can see, this is module 1. So when we come here, we can edit, click and edit here, then down, dance with Aries. So also assign instructing on this course. So I'm going to enhance it, then you'll see how the cocos in the moment.